Okay, in today's recipe, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious cabbage rice, or you can call it cabbage risotto. It is absolutely divine. So let's get started right away. Okay, here we have a lot of garlic and cabbage, organic cilantro, and organic green peas. And I would say five or three, you can take medium to large yellow onions and organic basmati rice. You can choose any rice you want. So here's my favorite organic mustard oil from Organics. For the links and all the ingredients, please look below in the comments. I'm going to post it there. Here's organic cumin seeds. Add a whole bunch of these. They are rich in iron and they are a great digestive. So add them. Keep it on low right now. And we're going to add some Asafoetida, which is hing. Here's my crushed, or you can say chopped garlic. So take it out and add it while your pan is still on low heat. You don't want to burn anything right now, and let the cumin seeds and the garlic saute together in the mustard oil. The smell is divine. When you cook with mustard oil, it is second to none. I just love it. So keep sauteing for a little bit more time. Okay, that looks good. See, now you can see the garlic has browned and the cumin seeds have cooked, so we are ready to add our onions. Here is my chopped onions. Adding it all. Just mix it and still keep your pan on low. I like this open wide pan. Actually, it's my favorite pan. That's why you see so many recipes cooked in this pan. I like it because it's wide open. It cooks very well. Here's organic turmeric. And again, for full list of ingredients, look in the article. Here's red paprika. And this is, go less with it. So like maybe you can do half or 1 teaspoon first, and then you can adjust later on. Here's cumin powder. So again, I would say 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder. And here is some garam masala. So we're making it a little bit more like Indian style, and it's a mix of different spices, and we're going to add green peas later on. You're going to absolutely love this recipe. A little bit of water because the spices seem very dry, so I don't want them to burn. So just a little bit more of water. And I'm still keeping it on low heat, so just make sure it is on low when you're cooking this recipe. And I'll be posting the link to all the ingredients as well as the actual ones that I buy, so you can check it out on Amazon. Okay, here's Jiva Organic rock salt, which I love. It is rich in minerals. It gives a wonderful taste to the recipes. I'm estimating it because I know how much I like it, but just to start, you can put 1.5 teaspoon just to start with. A little bit more water, I think. Okay, cover on low heat and keep watch. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can see our onions have cooked wonderfully, and so have the spices and the garlic and the cumin seeds. Everything looks delicious. It smells heavenly. So look at it, how wonderful the onions have cooked. They're just completely translucent, and the spices have mixed in. And now we're ready to add our cabbage. This is organic cabbage chopped, and here I'm adding it. This recipe is super healthy because, well, cabbage is one of the most healthy vegetables on this planet. So eat a lot of it, and this is a great way to get it. Mix everything together, mix the cabbage, mix the spices, the onions, everything needs to be mixed, and then cover again. On low heat again for about 5-6 minutes till your cabbage is completely wilted. Maybe 7 minutes depending on the type of variety, the weather, and whatnot. Okay, you can see our cabbage has wilted really well. It has a little bit of water. And you can see that we're ready to add our rice. So I'm going to mix this. Just want to mix it one more time before we add our rice. And our rice has soaked in all very well. Oh, I'm adding the peas, sorry, first. And then we're going to add the rice. And here comes the rice. No big difference. So this is rinsed and soaked organic basmati rice. And if you're cooking for the first time, you can take a bigger pot if you might be scared. This is the one I use for cooking. I love it, so it works for me, but maybe not for you. So just take a bigger pot. I have clearly had a little bit more rice than I intended to, but it's okay. So just letting you know about that. And keep it, when your water boils, let it come to a simmering boil, and after the boil, keep it on low. So you see our water has boiled perfectly, and we're going to put it on low heat and cover and let cook. But we're going to keep a good check on it, so we don't want anything to burn at the bottom. Okay, here I'm adding the Bombay biryani powder. This is a spice mix, sorry, for rice and pilau recipes. And I'm adding some fenugreek, dried fenugreek. And here I added some cilantro. Here it is. And now I'm going to cover it. Just let it wilt. Let's go out in the bin and this is the flowers. And here I'm giving away my compost, which is just all the veggie ends. You can see the cilantro ends, the onion ends, and whatever, the garlic peel. So I'm just going to spread it out to the plants and the soil can use it. And here is some little nice beautiful red roses for you. Okay, back to the kitchen. Here is apple cider vinegar. We always add this at the end when the food has cooled down. Don't add this when your food is already hot. So when it after 20-30 minutes, when it's cooled, then you can add apple cider vinegar and lemon. And there you have perfect cabbage rice. Here is your delicious spice mix cabbage rice with cilantro, green peas, and it's a wonderful recipe to serve to your guests. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure to leave your comments and make sure to spread the word of this channel. And let me know how you liked it. For complete list of ingredients and exact links of what I use, look in the description box as well as in the comment section. Alright, until the next time, see you again. Bye bye.